Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to repost someone's status on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! WhatsApp recently introduced a handy mention feature for status, making it easy for users to repost moments they are directly tagged in, much like Instagram stories. Now, if someone includes you in their status update, you can instantly share it with your own status with your contacts. No need for screenshots or extra steps. So how to do it? It's so simple. As you can see in here, when someone mentions you on their status on WhatsApp, you'll get notified like this. Let's open it. And how if you want to repost it, it's so simple. So you can just open this notification or open their status, and you'll find there is an option like to repost. So you can just tap on that. So now you can just add captions to this, and you can just send it to your story. So your story will be turns out like this. So simple, right? And you can share when people see this, your story, they'll find this note on your story that you just reshared this story from your friend. So simple, right? So that is how to repost someone's status on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.